Hello everybody, an exciting video today. So as a lot of you know, I've been talking about making some courses on cleaning and pressing, buying and selling comic books. Well, and it's finally starting to come into focus on exactly what I want to do. I want to build a community for cleaners, pressers, buyers, and sellers of comic books. It'll include a community forum, the basic stuff, the cleaning and pressing, the buying and selling, but also all the advanced secret sauce techniques that'll put you over the top and give you the edge when it comes to doing this stuff. So that's what I'm building right now. Now, some of you might not know that buying and selling comic books has become the biggest part of my income. So if I'm going to build this community, I'm going to have to take a little bit of break from the buying and selling if I'm going to get this thing done by 2030. I'm going to have to focus on it and put some time into it. So what I'm doing, I'm selling off about 40% of my collection and a bunch of other books I've worked on recently to allow me and gift me 2 or 3 weeks a month, 6 weeks, whatever it takes to get this done. So I've posted about 40 books so far on Instagram at Improved Collecting. Just find me there and you should see on my profile page all of the books that I've posted. Now probably got another 50 I'm going to be posting over the next week. I've got 25 or 30 coming back from CGC as well that I'll post on there. Before I throw these things at an auction on Shortboxed or eBay, I thought I would offer it to whoever out there happens to be watching this and give you the option of buying it at fair market or well below fair market value. Thank you so much. Whether you buy or not, thank you for watching my channel, subscribing. And I just can't thank, I don't know how I can thank you guys more than I already do, but thank you so much. And make sure you subscribe to my newsletter, improvecollecting.com. I'm about to do a bunch of giveaways. Going to send some newsletters, give updates on what I'm working on because I've already recorded a couple lessons, but I'm really going to dive in once a bunch of these books sell. I got about 30 books to get to CGC. That'll take me a couple weeks. So while these books are selling, I'll be working on those. Couple weeks those books go up to CGC. Hopefully the majority of these are sold. I'll have a little bit of coin in the bank that can pay some bills while I work on the courses because it's financially it's going to be tough to get this done, but I am going to get it done. I promise you guys, this is my way. I'm trying to give back to the community and I'm going to make it happen. I want the success I've enjoyed. Every day I'm thankful for it. It's like I can't believe that I'm able to enjoy this hobby and make a living at it. But honestly, I enjoy cleaning and pressing and teaching people how to do this much more than I enjoy the actual day-to-day buying and selling. Now, I've done it for a couple of years now, and I've gotten it down pretty good. I got a really good system, I think. You guys watch the videos, the results are pretty good. So I want to be able to tell you, because I've learned some things, some, I don't want to call them secrets, but I've made some mistakes, and I've learned from them. I kind of want to pass along that information to everybody. But at the same time, if I build this community, it's going to be a membership. I want serious people. I want people that are really involved in the hobby. But honestly, the pricing is probably going to be less than the sale of one book. Cracking it, getting a 9.8, that would be more profit than. So that's what I asked. Probably is give me profit of one book over a year, and then you can be part of the community for a year. I don't have final pricing, but obviously I'm going to I'm kind of rambling here. Sorry about that. Probably going to do a beta just to test everything out, see what the feedback is, see how I can improve things, make sure there's no bugs or anything before I open it up. And I'll give a deep discount to those beta testers or whatever. So I kind of want to do this for a living. Why not? Cleaning, pressing, running a community, helping hopefully hundreds, maybe thousands of people get better at this hobby would be like a dream for me. I have a teaching background, I have a teaching degree. I've done a lot of teaching in other hobbies over the years, so hopefully I'm decent at it by now, and you guys can be the judge of that, though. I'm going to build it, and if nothing else, I'm going to learn a lot while I'm doing this. So yeah, I'm going to dive in with both feet. Wish me luck. I hope you guys want to be a part of it, and go to my Instagram, @ImprovedCollecting, see if there's anything you want to buy. I've got everything from $30 books, $35 books, all the way up to virtually $3,000 books. Whatever your budget, whatever you're looking for, I might have something on there you're interested in. Claim it if you want to just grab it. It's already priced below fair market value or at worst at fair market value. Or make me an offer. I'm really reasonable. You guys know that. If I'm selling it direct, I avoid a lot of the fees and all that stuff. So throw a number at me. See what happens. Buy more than one, give you 10% off. I mean, this could be a great time to find some books for your collection. Thank you again for your support of the channel. I'm looking to give back, and I can't wait to get started. Let's get these books sold. And if nobody buys it, that's fine. I'm not really, no offense. I'm perfectly fine with just throwing them through an auction or whatever, getting the money in. Even if I take a little bit of loss on a few of them, it's fine. Let's get the money in, put it aside, allow me to get started building this community. I don't even have I have a URL, improvecollecting.com, but I haven't implemented the community part yet. I'm going to do that very soon. It's going to be great. I found the perfect platform to put it on. You guys are going to love it. I've already tested it on with a different community that I'm a member of, uses that platform. It's awesome. It's awesome. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching. Stay nerdy, and I'll see you in the next video.